Hello and welcome to Pronounce Pro. In today's video, we're going to tackle a very interesting and important topic: how to pronounce BDSM, kink, and fetish terms correctly. Whether you're learning English or just want to sound confident and natural when discussing these topics, this video will help you master the pronunciation of some common terms. We'll also include example sentences and some fun tongue twisters to practice your pronunciation skills. Ready? Let's get started. Part 1. Understanding the topic. First, a quick note. These words might feel sensitive or taboo to some people. Our goal is educational, to help you pronounce these words clearly and respectfully. Pronunciation matters, especially when discussing topics that can be personal or misunderstood. Part 2. Commonly mispronounced words. Let's begin with some key terms often heard in conversations about BDSM, kink, and fetish culture. I'll say the word slowly, then at natural speed. After that, I'll give you example sentences to practice with. 1. BDSM. Pronunciation by .dsm. Say it slowly, B-D-S-M. Natural speed, BDSM. Example sentence. BDSM stands for bondage, discipline, dominance, submission, sadism, and masochism. 2. Kink. Pronunciation KK. Say it slowly, kink. Natural speed, kink. Example sentence. Kink refers to unconventional sexual preferences or practices. 3. Fetish. Pronunciation FT. Say it slowly, fe-tish. Natural speed, fetish. Example sentence. A common fetish involves a fascination with feet. 4. Masochism. Pronunciation M Latin leti skzm. Say it slowly, masochism. Natural speed, masochism. Example sentence. Masochism means deriving pleasure from one's own pain. 5. Sadism. Pronunciation sedzm. Say it slowly, sadism. Natural speed, sadism. Example sentence. Sadism involves deriving pleasure from inflicting pain on others. 6. Dominance. Pronunciation DMNS. Say it slowly, dominance. Natural speed, dominance. Example sentence. Dominance in BDSM refers to controlling or leading the interaction. 7. Submission. Pronunciation SBMN. Say it slowly, submission. Natural speed, submission. Example sentence. Submission is the act of yielding to the control of another. 8. Bondage. Pronunciation BNDD. Say it slowly, bondage. Natural speed, bondage. Example sentence. Bondage involves restraining a partner using ropes or cuffs. Part 3. Practice sentences recap. Now, let's quickly practice all those words in one sentence each, so you can repeat after me. BDSM stands for bondage, discipline, dominance, submission, sadism, and masochism. Kink refers to unconventional sexual preferences or practices. A common fetish involves a fascination with feet. Masochism means deriving pleasure from one's own pain. Sadism involves deriving pleasure from inflicting pain on others. Dominance in BDSM refers to controlling or leading the interaction. Submission is the act of yielding to the control of another. Bondage involves restraining a partner using ropes or cuffs. In the scene, he prefers to dominate. She enjoys playing the submissive role. Take your time and repeat each one carefully. Let's warm up your mouth and tongue with some pronunciation exercises and tongue twisters related to today's vocabulary. Try saying these slowly at first, then speed up as you get more comfortable. Tongue twister 1. Bondage binds both bodies beautifully. Repeat 3 times fast. Tongue twister 2. Dominant Dan dictates disciplined decisions daily. Repeat 3 times fast. Tongue twister 3. Submission says silent secrets softly spoken. Repeat 3 times fast. Exercise. Practice the S sounds. Many of these words have tricky S or SH sounds, like sadism, submission, and fetish. Try this exercise. Say SSS, like a snake, for 5 seconds, then say shish, quiet sound, for 5 seconds. Repeat 3 times. Now, say the following words focusing on the S or SH sounds clearly. Sadism. Submission. Fetish. Discipline. Part 5. Tips to improve your pronunciation. Here are some final tips to help you improve. Slow down. Speak slower than usual to give your mouth time to form sounds. Use a mirror. Watch how your lips and tongue move, especially with S, SH, and TH sounds. Listen and mimic. Play audio of native speakers and try to imitate their rhythm and intonation. Record yourself. Listening back will help you catch mistakes you don't notice while speaking. Practice regularly. Even 5 minutes a day can make a big difference. Part 6. Final practice. Let's finish with a final round of repeating the key words. BDSM. Kink. Fetish. Masochism. Sadism. Dominance. Submission. Bondage. Dominate. Submissive. Great job! Thanks so much for practicing with me today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next pronunciation lessons. Also, comment below with any other words or topics you'd like me to cover next. Remember, pronunciation is a skill. With patience and practice, you'll get better every day. Until next time, keep speaking confidently and clearly. Bye.